Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how exciting it is to move your assets around securely. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial: how to send TRX from Kucoin to your Phantom wallet. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your Tron coins in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Kucoin account with some TRX in it, and your Phantom wallet installed on your device. Phantom is primarily for Solana, but don't worry. With the right steps, you can handle TRX transfers via compatible networks or bridges. Always double-check that your wallet is connected and funded if needed. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to your asset portfolio. Find TRX in your list of holdings. It's usually under the Tron section. Once you spot it, click on Withdraw next to the TRX balance. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. In the withdrawal form, paste your Phantom wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address by copying it directly from your Phantom app to avoid any typos. That's a common mistake that could send your TRX to the wrong place. Select the network for TRX. It should be the Tron network to ensure compatibility. Then, enter the amount you want to send, making sure it's above any minimum withdrawal limits, which are usually around 1 TRX plus network fees. After that, review the transaction summary. Kucoin will show you the estimated fees and the final amount arriving in your wallet. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate with your Kucoin security measures like 2FA. Once submitted, the transaction will process. Expect it to take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, hop over to your Phantom wallet app and refresh it to see your TRX arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like TronScan. And there you have it. Your TRX is now safely in your Phantom wallet. Remember, crypto involves risks, so always stay cautious with your transfers. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that digital future.